Rebel Goes to Middle School, Part 5, the final part. Okay, class, today is, the last day of school. Is everyone? Yes! Okay, so, alright. Amen? Yes. You. Pass. Yay! Let's go home. Alright, next up, Lil Zombie. Yes. You. Failed. Meh. Next up, Diamond Steve. You. Pass. Good. Yay. Ouch. Okay, so next. Normal Steve. Yes. You. Pass. Yay. I have a bird. What? You. Pass. Yay, I'm the winner. Alright, next up, Plankton. What is it? You. Failed. No. Alright, Baby Sheep. Yes. You. Pass. Yay. Alright, Ned. Yes. You. Pass. Yay. Alright, Ian. Chewbacca. Yes. You. Pass. Yay. Alright, Ian. Little Skeleton. Yes. You. Failed. No. Alright, Pigman. Yes. You. Failed. No. Alright, Creeper. What is it, Mr. Batman? Okay, you. Failed. No. Hey guys, this is Mr. Batman here. And then, this is, Rebel Goose Middle School Part 5, the last part. So, I forgot everyone. We're not gonna do a season 2 of Rebel Goose Middle School, so yeah. Oh, I forgot. There will be an April Fool's special video coming soon. Bye, guys. Hey guys, this is Dr. Push here. Thanks for y'all watching for Rebel Goes Middle School Part 5, the last part. So I'm not gonna do a season 2 of it. So yeah. So next so yeah. Oh, I forgot, guys. Send me some video ideas for the next video. Bye, guys.